Earlier today, a Su-30 and Mirage 2000 aircraft of the Indian Air Force had crashed in Madhya Pradesh, and as per initial reports, there could be a possibility of a mid-air collision. The Indian Air Force has ordered a court of inquiry to establish the cause of the incident. The incident took place during routine operational flying training mission, and 2 Su-30 pilots are safe, but the pilot of Mirage 2000 gave supreme sacrifice in the line of duty. As per latest information, Hindustan Aeronautics' proposed Super Sukhoi upgrade program will not involve the upgradation of its engine. Indian Air Force and Hindustan Aeronautics are not considering to swap the current AL-31F engine with the more powerful AL-41F1 engine, as it would involve additional cost for setting up engine infrastructure and procurement costs. The US will send its F-35 fifth-generation fighter jet and B-1 bomber to the Aero India 2023, that will participate in both static and flying displays. US firms Lockheed and Boeing are eyeing for contracts with the Indian Air Force for its F-16 and F-15EX variant, but US sending its F-35 aircraft for the Aero India hints at the possibility that US might offer the F-35A to counter the Rafale F-4 offer by France's Dassault Aviation. The F-16 bid never stood a chance in the MRFA tender, and interestingly, the Indian Air Force chief had said in October 2022 that the Air Force is searching for a 4.5 generation or 5th generation aircraft under the MRFA tender. United States is also sending Boeing KC-46 Pegasus military aerial refueling aircraft to the Aero India, that has been offered to India under the Foreign Military Sale Program. Garden Reach Shipbuilders has signed a memorandum of understanding with Rolls-Royce Solutions of Germany for the license production and localization of the MTU 4000 series marine engines that have a power output ranging from 746 to 4300 kilowatt and will replace the existing engines that are currently imported. The new series MTU 4000 engines represent a significant fuel reduction and lower pollutant emissions without the expense of reduced power. The MTU 4000 engines will give additional benefits such as space in the engine room, as they are around half a meter lower in height and 1.5 tons lighter. India's upcoming extended-range air defense system will have 2 interceptors, 150 km range ERSAM and 350 km range XRSAM, and latest reports indicate that the ERSAM will be the first interceptor missile to incorporate long-range anti-cruise missile capability, which will enable it to target supersonic cruise missiles, as well as stealth-incorporated subsonic cruise missile with low radar cross-section at extended ranges. Apart from truck-mounted variant for the Indian Air Force and Indian Army, a naval variant will also be developed to provide complete protection against sea-skimming anti-ship missiles. The Ministry of Defence intends to procure 50 vehicle mounted infantry mortar system through fast-track procedure under by Indian category. It should have automatic transmission with selective 4x2 and 4x4 drive systems that must have an engine power of not less than 215 horsepower. It must be compatible with in-service 81mm mortar system and should have an automatic dismounted firing and ammunition storage of 30 rounds. The vehicle should have a maximum speed of 80 km per hour on highways, an operational range of at least 300 km, and the vehicle must have heliportability by in-service helicopters.
Omar dropped it.